All right, our practice, we're going to identify what quadrant the given ordered pairs are in, or if they're on an axis. And then we're going to plot the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane provided to justify your answers, so to prove it. So if you have -6, +4, so we're going to take our smiley face. We always start at 0. So we're going to start at 0. We're going to go -6, so -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -6, up 4. We are going to take a look, and this is going to be in quadrant, well, there's quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is going to be in quadrant 2. So I'm going to put II for quadrant 2. 0, 5, or 0, 5. So we're not going to go anywhere on our x-axis, but we are going to go on our y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is on our y-axis. So you're just going to type y-axis. All right, +4, +3. So we're going to go +1, 2, 3, 4. +1, 2, 3. All right, so that is in quadrant 1. All right, +3, -2. So we're going to start at 0. We're going to go down the hall 3. Then we're going to go down that elevator 2. So we're going to ride the elevator down 2. So -1, -2-ish. There we go. And that is going to be in quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. IV is 4. The kiss face, -1, -1. So we're going to go backwards 1 and down 1. All right, so x comes before y, remember. So we'll go our x-axis first, -1, and then our y-axis, -1. And we end in quadrant 3. I. And then we have 0, so that 0 means we're not going anywhere on our x-axis, but we are going down on our y-axis to -5. So that is going to be again on our y-axis. And that's going to be it for the practice. Make sure you watch this video over and over again if you need some more help or come during intervention. Great job.